Okay, so there is something new today that I'm going to do, and it's going to be a kind of a speed run of software development. This is going to be new for me, like trying to make software very fast. But today's project it's going to be quite simple. It's going to be a PeerJS chat in the web browser, and I will try to make a nice console in the web browser. I did it in the past, but I will try to do everything. Of course, I'm going to use some libraries, but I will try to do everything without cheating too much, if that makes sense. So let's get into work for this. Okay, so my terminal broke, and that's unfortunate. I was just setting up all my that was not fortunate at all. Okay, so wait me a second, please. This is like not ideal. And you know what? This is going to be part of the challenge. Like I'm starting from right now. So let's go, let's go, let's go. So first I have to set up the timer. This is not related to how to call it. This is not related to the programming, but since I did not set up this correctly, let's pay the price of that. Actually, I did set up that correctly. Just Linux decided that it was not going to work anymore. Okay, so here you are. We're going to go like this. We're going to go like this. And you're going to go like this. Okay, we lost already 1 minute. We have 59 minutes left. So let's get to work. First of all, I need a web server. So let's open here Windows here. Let me open a new window here then. So let's start our web server probably. Let's open Tmux server. Let's now create an Tmux programming. Let's Oh, we are with time. We lost 2 minutes already, and we did not start coding yet. Yes, there it is. I am already in my server. So my web server should be already on. There it is. Let's install Git just in case. Well, let's install Git. Then I will push that after Git. No problem. Yes. So let's first of all I'm quite lost to this, so let's just start. Actually, let's just start here for that. Okay, so let's just deploy a bit app with Apache. Okay, so no, I'm not going to lose time configuring Apache for this right now. Let's just do it simple. Let's just basically make this very round script. Let's just make our theme index. Hello. I'm setting up my environment. I know it seems like I'm starting doing everything bad, but you follow me in this one, okay? So I have some issue here actually. That is that since I am doing this, I don't think this is. Oh yes, it will work actually. I did this in the past. Yes, of course it was going to work. Click. So let's just open it like this. Go to the console. Let's refresh. Hello. Okay, so we have our hello here. So I want to make a simple chat with PeerJS. So let's just make the user interface. How many time do I have? I have time enough. I have time enough. So let's create the text area. By you stay here. Let's create just some kind of text area like form text area ID chat name chat area. So do we have our text area? We have our text area, of course. But I want two text areas actually. Maybe one text area and then one input. Probably not a text area like my input ID. This is like chat history. And this is like chat input. Then we should use the enter to send stuff to the text area. Yeah, I would like prefer to have that as some kind of. Let's just make all rows a row style, and then we can fix this better. Background. I don't like white backgrounds. Yes, that's far better for me. Text area. Actually, should just put this story. Look. Marching out with okay, that should be enough. It should have a meal with okay, nice, that's nice. So background color. Let's just look a nice cooler. I am recording the sound. Yes, I am. Yes, okay. I don't care about this. Where is my cooler? Here it is. Yes, this is what I want. Also, so I want some kind of dark green. Like, how do I modify? How dark it is? There it is. Yeah, this kind of dark. Yeah, this is exactly what I want. Look at the time I am wasting into this. Just the green color, but I like aesthetics, you know? I'm going to make so I don't want any border. Next area. I can just put border. Done. I am a backend developer, by the way, so you can see I am not front-end developer. So this makes the task even harder because I have to make UI and I am not very good at making UI. Anyway, So let's see. I want to also now disable resize text area. Yes. Resize, no, that is such a standard because I know that sometimes Chrome can be a bit annoying with it. Yeah, it seems to be there. And how to put it? Oh, I want it to be like. I want it into read-only mode. Yeah, I knew it had a read-only attribute. So yeah, I know that it was a thing. I forgot about it though. So yeah, we have our read-only. And we can do something similar for our input. Chat input here. Display block, margin auto, with yeah, but I guess I have some spacing though, or probably another color to differentiate. Probably this color. It's okay. I'm sorry. I still have the cold. Okay, so we have here our. I don't know. I do not want to send anything. Action. I want to prevent the input send, so let's make a function for this. Actually, in my chat JavaScript. Net pointer. It was like document on load on Doom ready, I guess, or Doom loaded. This is the event I want. And add event listener, yes, this is exactly what I want. So yes, document as event listener. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it seems to work. Then now should let chat element equals to document element IT chat input that element add no. Chat form equals to document. Oh, how this was though. Actually, why I'm going to just break my brain with this when I can do the following thing though. Just add an ID to this form, like chat form. I know this is not ideal, but you know, I am in a hurry here. Oh, I see there is some issue with the stream right now because yeah, I did something silly, so I have to move this. I'm sorry for anyone looking at this. I have to move this from here to here. Yes, because otherwise it's going to be hard to look at my code. Okay, so that text that history. chat form at event list channel submit event return false event found. Was it like this though? Was it really like this? Yes, it's exactly like this. Nice. So it is a prevent default, the one that is helping to, because I want to refresh my memory. Yes, it's the prevent default. So yes, what I want to do now, it's basically to how to call this. I want to basically what I write in the chat element, in chat, yeah, chat input I could call it. So basically what we are going to do, is it going to work in a way? Because I am not very sure this is going to actually work. It's okay, let's just make a function outside of this. Function chat input send chat. Chat input element element chat sorry element. Actually I just need the chat. Wait, okay. So can I do something like chat input send and just add chat input chat history. Yes, seems to be working then. Let's add something like this. Is this going to work then? Yes, now I want some kind of a scroll, I guess. So first of all, I want you to be like with a bigger height. Okay, so why is that like that though? Oh, I see why. Oh, I want to clear the console when I press enter, so that is value. Okay, fine. We are making progress, it seems. Okay, so we are 20 minutes, but we have already our basic console. Now let's take a look at Peer. So data connections. Connect. Let's zoom out. It's a bit. Does have some kind of dark mode anyway. Another Peer's ID. Yes, I know. I will have to share the Peer's ID. So we can do something very simple though here. So we have a start server and so let's start with the start server command. Function process. Okay, so what I want to do probably is right now. Actually make some kind of let equals to, I could do something like this, clear console. Let's try with this basic example if it works then. Function chat okay, so process in okay, so now this is not what I want, so browser, this is going to optimize my command bit. I actually can't just take strings like in a very glitchy way. Here we can do something like let's just try this thing. Okay. Okay, it seems that something broke because of this. What could it be? Could it be this? Let me check what it broke. I am friend, and this is, I have to clarify that I don't touch JavaScript and it's a while, so this is kind of something I want to do because I am getting very annoyed about this. That like chat history dot value equals, yeah, this is making me very annoying. Yes, so basically something broke with here. Yes, I know that could be that. Or I am doing pure console logs here. I know it's not ideal, but oh, I know what could happen. I believe I know. Oh, input string, not input text. I am very smart. Yes, that's better. Yes, that's far better. And what if I put the function just here, like just call if let's just make this an option, otherwise it's going to be quite a mess, you know. Name func. It is not PHP, I am sorry. Func, okay. And this just does something like that is sorry. I believe that you all should be. Ah, it doesn't matter. Document.get element by ID chat history value once no, and that should be enough, I guess. Is that okay? I guess. Yes, look at that. It's working perfectly. So how many times it passed? Oh, we were half the time. Okay, and we don't have any server connection yet, but we have our command system working. So we can just add functions here. Look at this. So we say, okay, let's just call this start or just spawn server like good old Loom 3. And spawn server is going to call a function called what's the name for this, like start P2P server. I'm going to start a P2P server here. Peer server, it's okay. So let's get started then. Function start server. Let's create a function like a print function that basically chat. Oh, let's create it here. Print chat console. Actually, why I am doing this? It could be just this basically. Oh no, but I don't want to. Chat history text. So basically, what I want here is that actually I believe print in console that history element input string. So if I call print, it's just going to be a reference to the function print in console. So when I start this, I will do like some print console stuff like this, and this is quite not ideal, but it's okay, I guess. History, and I will have to fix that later, but it's okay. My peer ID is ID. Okay, so if I do spawn server, it will do that then. Okay, the spawn server seems not to be working, and what could be the cause of that? I do have chart. I do have peer JavaScript. Oh, I have to create a peer. Okay, I am so silly. Okay. Let's just write it. Peer equals to peer. Okay, look at that. I get my peer ID and everything. So we are ready to work now. We have, and I am half through the time, but I believe I can achieve this. So what I want to do now is to be able to create a server. Let's change the name of this. Server created. Peer ID. Okay, so we create a server. Then now I want some kind of join server. Oh, something I want to do because I want to be able to pass params to my command is to have like, let's send me the name, going to be like, I am not very used to this. Script split. By space, I guess. Okay, this is going to help me. This is good enough for me right now. Input split. No. Start. Okay, so multiplies. Yes, so basically what I want is send me the data that supplies 1. So if I do some kind of console into log, send me the args. It will show me the parameters in case they do exist. Haha. Look at that, I have my parameters. Okay, and if I do clear, it should work. Nice. If I say join P2P server, let's see, server here ID. This it was like this. I don't remember correctly how this is. Okay, so let's try to see if this works then. Let's create a new one called connect. Just connect. And it's going to be a join P2P peer-to-peer server. If I put join, okay, I don't think it is working though, so but actually, oh, because it's connect, I'm kidding. Yes, it is working. That's beautiful. So let's put here just connecting to server. And let's just put here the ID. Let's just put ID here or server. ID is enough. ID should be enough here. And connecting to server. Okay, that's fine enough. That's very good. So data connections. Start connection. Okay, let's connect to a server. Yes. So I basically should be going here and be like, okay, now let's just write it. I am trying to cheat and it's not going to be fine. Oh, the issue here is that this peer. Okay, no. Okay, I have to create a peer here too. Okay, so now I want to How many time I have left? Oh, only 20 minutes. I am in trouble. Maybe this challenge will fail. Who knows? My first try. Really. Why I'm copying the comment? What I am doing? Okay. Server sends that. And connected to your server. Okay, so I don't care about manual calls. What about errors? Like something does not work. Okay, so data connection. Okay, this is what I want to look. Data connection. An error. Open and close. Error function. Okay, connection established. An error. Just keep it like that, by the way. Connection to server established. Could not connect to server. Could not. Could not. Okay, so basically, if I do this, join and connect. What happens if I try to do that? It throws some error or not? It does not, it seems. Why though? Because the peer was not able to connect with the server at all. Let's just create a new tab here. Let's just start this again. And let me try with found server. And let's try to connect to this using join. That. No, sorry, connect that. It's not being able to connect, or I am doing something wrong then. Maybe my local host, well, it should be able to connect with here. JavaScript server. I hope I hope it's working, otherwise I would have some true issue right now. It seems not to be working, and I am afraid that maybe there is some stuff related to I don't know what's happening right now, but I am not able to connect to my server since. Start the connection, receive the connection. Okay, so how much time I have left? Just 15 minutes. I have 15 minutes to fix this. That's quite an issue here we have. Okay, so we can actually try to see if we are not using defaults 240. Okay, so it runs on that port. It may at that port it's closed. I don't think so. But let's see what happens if I try to connect. Peer on. Wait, on error. On error function. I'm sorry. Okay. Error. It seems that I have some issues here. It's not throwing any kind of error though, so that's quite a problem for me because I am not being able to debug if this is working or not. Wait a second. Okay, so let's see. Let's see if I am doing something wrong. Because No, this is not what I was looking for. Connect. Yes, it connects to the server and well, could it be that though? I'm doing that wrong, maybe? Well, no, it's just I'm doing it fine. Okay, so the server was able to be spawned, but I am not allowed to join the server, so that's an issue I have. I am not being able to fix it though. So maybe JavaScript is not working right now. That could happen. It happened to me before, and that will be all my video useless, sadly, because it's not working probably. Okay, so I have to. I don't want those examples. Okay, so this should not be working though. No, this should be working. Here. I have to create a peer though. Local ID. Then let's see if this is working actually, because right, home server. So I am having some really problematic issues here, and it's going to ruin my video. No. Okay, yes, I went. Okay, so I wonder if I have some port forwarding issues, or if something's going on that is not working properly. How to use a different port. Port server port defaults to. Okay, so I believe that my stream is going to fail. I have 7 minutes because peer JavaScript is not working. So I'm going to do something bad here. But this should be working. That's the bad part about this. That I will use WebRTC if this is not working though. Okay, I'm going to start my local peer JavaScript server, I guess. Okay, so basically, I want to start my local server. Okay, I got tired of this, so second PeerJS server. Exactly. Okay, so I want to install Node and I want to start my server like that. And I have to allow that port. Okay, yes, install it fast, please. So we are trying to save this by setting up my own local server. Let's see if this starts working again. Because I am not sure if it's not throwing me any error though, and that's bothering me like a lot. Or just maybe the functions are not working properly. And that could be another thing here. This is what I want to check. On event on open, close, error. Maybe I need some parameter here, that's why it's not working though. I don't think that should be the case, but who knows. Okay. Wait, no. So, is this installed already? Not yet. How many time I have left? I believe this challenge is going to fail thanks to pure JavaScript. I'm going to keep doing it though, and let's just... We missed the deadline, classic one, right? I should have done this. I should have installed the pure JavaScript server from the very beginning. That will probably just... It's still... No, it's going to take a while to install. I should have installed Node here. Okay, no, I didn't want to do that. So... Why is this not working? Something... Okay, so it seems that Node is installing. So maybe I still have some... I don't think I could do it fast, but maybe I can have some hope for a small victory. Let's just install PeerJS here. I am using root, I know it. It is not what you should do, but it's okay. Oh, I have some issue right now here, and it is that this is not going to work because I know what I have to do, and yeah, this is why I am going to play with this. Uh, Nine nine zero. So yes, that's what I want to do probably. Okay, we lost our time. We reached the hour and we could not connect to the peer JavaScript server. But I don't want to know if it was an issue in my machine or if the issue was related to the remote peer JavaScript server or some port forwarding stuff, you know. I really want to know what's going on right now. So let's just keep doing it. It should be working though, because if it gives you an ID, it means that it connects. But anyway. Okay, so it's not connecting to my basic server. Okay, will this help? I don't know. I haven't been able to connect even to my current server, so... Oh, okay, no, I say nothing. Okay, so let's try with this. Maybe I did something wrong here. Maybe I should have been using this stuff here right now. Just let's have it like that. Let's try again. Okay, it seems to work. Now let's try in another. Okay, this is basically what I was doing right now. Okay, so I should be able to start my server right now. I'm sorry. It does not seem to be working. So we have some problems here, it seems. So it seems that the server is not working, and that's an issue for me. Yeah, I know, I know. Okay, so no, we are in big trouble here. So I'm going to check out my repo because I have a my local reports. I have a repo with Peer JavaScript. I want to check out why this is not working, or because it should be working. Let's try. Here it is. Okay, yes, I made everything here. Let's see that that's working. Init peer, on connection, on call, on disconnect, on error. Init connection. Open. Let's start at client. No, it's okay. Let's start server. This is server. That's okay. Connect to peer. Okay, so init connection. I am not having anything. I have no information from the server when I connect. Like, if I connect to my server right now, I join the server. It does not say any. It does not say anything to me. Okay, so maybe this function is not working, and I have to comment this. And maybe, only maybe, this is what I truly wanted to test. The issue is having no feedback when you join a server. No, I have no information of anything at all. So I am afraid there is some issue here. Maybe it's my port, maybe it's, I don't know what it is, but I will test if Peer JavaScript is working basically with one thing I have here. I have this peer topology test. I believe it has some actions here or not. Yes, it has some actions here. And I can test here and here. Let me remember how this was used to work. How this was supposed to work because I do remember how this was working, but hush. Okay, not this. Hush. Reload new hash data. Okay, so let's just call it reload max server and reload client. I can say create server and I can say then join server. Created with. Okay, I was trying to connect. Try this connect server. Okay, no. It should. It's not working as expected. So join server. So now it seems that pure JavaScript is not working and it's ruined my video. Nice. So it happens, I guess. I guess it does happen though. Function, we can go to networking, netmail, join server. Get server trying to connect with. It's not being able to connect at all. Seems that it's just not being able to connect, not even with this. So let's here as it hosts. Let me check in my phone because maybe my phone actually works. The issue is related to. Let's create a server. Okay, no, it seems not to be working, so let's try again. On server. Seems it's not working. I mean, why though? Let me check something first. Hush. Server to connect. That's mine. Let's look at server to connect from here. Um, server equals to creating peer. It seems not to be working then. I mean, there is an issue with. It seems there is an issue with peer JavaScript. Okay, so so yes, I should have set my pure JavaScript server ice server. Ice servers. Yeah, we have an issue here is that let's look at pure JavaScript documentation. Ice servers. Okay, so it seems that I want to use these servers, I guess, when I create a new peer. No, this is not what I want. No, I say this is not what I want. Okay. Okay, see what's going on here. Okay, so this is exactly what I want, yes. So, no, this one. I do not want to use it though, I guess. I don't think this will work, but for how things are right now, I have nothing to lose, I guess. What about host? No. Hmm. Print all logs. Oh, okay, this is what I want then. Okay, so that's what I wanted then. I wanted to print all logs, it seems. The book. Put it to 3 then. And then let's try again. So let's open the console. Join. Connect to blah 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 blah. Okay, so socket open. And connection data here. Let's just ignore this part, I guess. What happened if I should do this then? Connect. This socket open. Interesting. So basically, the socket is open, but let's just refresh this also. Let's spawn server. Oh, but I want to also have a debug here, so socket open. And what if I want to connect to this guy here? Yeah, it's open and all of that, but what's happening right now though? Because no, it seems like no. Interesting. again, my pure JavaScript is not working right now. I will not be surprised, but that will be a pity. We already like half an hour above the time limit I set, but anyway. Status page. Look at the status page then. It should be working though, so maybe I have some issue here right now. So yes, it says that it's working. The issue is why it's not working in my machine then. This is the classic, in my machine does not work. Oh. What is the key argument about? Key. It's not using. Okay, so I need a key basically. Receiver sender. Okay, so I can try to look at the on connection and maybe I am actually having a peer. Let's call it remote call on client connection. Okay, just like that. Processing client connection. And then we have client connected then. Okay, so let's try this one more time. Spawn server. And then connect. No, there is no case for this. It seems that it does not want to work. What if I add a key for my stuff like if I add this kind of key though? I don't think that special characters are going to help. Socket open, but no help at all. What's enable webers in Firefox? It will be enabled though. Okay, so I have some issue here. It seems that I have no luck today. I cannot host your own server.
Hola, ¿cómo estás, mami? Sí, decime. A ver, pero mami, ¿esto de dónde salió? ¿De dónde salió esto? Más, vos no hiciste clic nada, ¿no? Porque mirá que hay muchas estafas ahora. Ah, a ver, una seña. A las 8. A las 8. Está todo correcto, o sea. Es que así aparece en el banco. Creo que así
Okay,
aparece
so
en tu
next time
cuenta de
we'll
banco.
use.
A ver, déjamelo ver que por las dudas chequeo, pero creo que aparece así. Ah, y bueno, mami, pero si no, bueno, fíjate, no se lo tomes hasta que te impacte. Porque a veces, bueno, de banco a banco, vos viste cómo es. Sí, no, y vos estate atenta si te llega o controlar qué onda.
Okay, so next time we are going to use probably this.
porque yo creo que en el banco sale distinto, ¿viste? Mi pronunciación. Ah, pero me deja ver cómo sale.
Okay, no, next time we are going to
Seguramente
use
esté bien.
not use PeerJS